Hey, Dewey McDonald here for Guarantee RV. Got a brand new 21 Wildwood. Model's a 370 BL. So let's go check this out. So as soon as you walk in the door, straight across the door, you got a little door here that goes into the bunk room. So a little control panel on the right, touchscreen with all your awnings, your lights and stuff. So in here in the living area, you got some storage cabinets, you got a couch, you got a hide-a-bed, you got some recliners, you got a booth that makes into a bed, plus you got the bunk room. You got an island, so this is a double slide model with the fireplace, the big screen TV, stereo, built-in CD player. You got your glass top oven, and then cooktop, 3-burner, microwave. It's got the double refrigerator and freezer. This unit has particularly 2 ACs, one here in the main room and one in the bedroom. But above the bunkhouse, you've got a little stair that pulls out. There's a little storage above there, or a little another bunk room above there. A lot of people like to use it for storage. Then you walk into the bathroom. You've got a big shower, porcelain toilet. You go into the master bedroom. You've got a queen bed. You got a cabinet. You got the dresser. You got a closet in the front that has a washer and dryer hookups. Storage under the bed. On the outside, you got a big electric awning. So these are pre-wired with backup camera. It's got a little outdoor kitchen on the side there. These have the auto leveling jacks, electric jacks all the way around. So under bay storage. All right, guys, thanks for coming here and watching the video with me. Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV. So if you're looking for toy haulers, campers, fifth wheels, anything we do, I can help you with anything. So come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guarantee RV.